A common request we get is to install an interior door where there currently isn't one. We do it all the time, and it starts with an understanding of the standard dimensions of doors. From there, we can help you select the right door, get it delivered, and get it installed properly. And there's a lot that goes into it. You got to know where the hinges go. You got to know what size and type of hinges to use. And the most critical element is understanding how to figure out the size and shape of that doorway. Because even though it looks like a rectangle, it is not. And the door will always need to be cut and shaped to fit your existing opening. That is the biggest challenge. And once the door is installed for the first time, that's when the real work begins, because it has to be fine-tuned so that it fits perfectly and works properly. There's a lot of trial and error involved, and that's where experience comes into play. It's very important to know all the tips and tricks learned through years of doing this so that the door comes out great. And of course, lock installation is always included with all of our door installs, and we put in all the final touches and details, including the door stop. The stop is this wood you see being nailed to the frame. That's what the door actually stops against when it's closed. We include everything. And when this is done and everything is painted, you'll think there's always been a door there because it's going to look great and work properly. That's what we do.